Hi everyone, it's Rose. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you a diamond painting that I just completed. And it's this one by Dotz, and it's called Triple Treat. It has the little skeleton, the black cat, and the pumpkin, perfect for Halloween. And I had never done a diamond painting before, so if you're not familiar with diamond paintings, you buy one of these kits, and then it's sort of like a paint by numbers. Only instead of painting, you're actually using these little crystals that are very glittery on one side and flat on the other. And what you do is you have a canvas that has the design already on it and a little chart on the side of the canvas that shows you how you match up the color to the actual design or area that you're going to be applying these to. Now your kit comes with a little tool that actually picks up the diamonds or the crystals, and then they stick to the canvas because the canvas is sort of a sticky, has a sticky coating to it so that they automatically adhere. So it's a great little craft to try. I was intrigued and didn't want to start off with a very big one, so this was actually perfect for me. I found this kit in Michael's and of course used one of their great coupons. So it was actually a perfect way to kind of dive in and try the diamond painting. And so this is my completed canvas here. And you can see that it's very glittery. On the side here of the canvas is the actual chart where you match up the color of the crystal with the area that you're going to be adhering it to. So it was very fun. This particular design measures roughly 9 by 13. And what I'm going to do is actually mat it and frame it, but wanted to show it to you first so that you could see what it looks like. I did it over several days. Occasionally I like to stand and craft, and so this was sort of perfect for that because I could kind of get over it with the little tool that's included, and then kind of see the whole canvas. And since it's so intricate with the tiny little crystals, you know, you can really kind of get lost in doing it, and it's really a lot of fun. So a couple of tips that I learned though. What I did was I actually sorted my crystals in these little bags, and I put the code for the color number on each bag. And then, of course, like I said, you pour them into this tray. Now, as I mentioned, it comes with a little tool that sort of, you know, looks like a little straw with a metal tip. And what you're supposed to do is actually dip it in a semi-soft wax to have the crystal adhere to the tool so that you can then place it onto the canvas. However, I found that tool to be a little bit awkward to use, so I went into my stash and pulled out a couple of the crystal picks that I actually have. This one is by Crystal Catania, and it's got a little rubber end on one side and sort of a metal pokey tool on the other. And what I would do is I would pick up the crystal with this side of the tool. I didn't need the wax. This is sort of designed to pick up gemstones, and then I would adhere the crystal to that, and then just kind of put it down on the canvas. If I found that I had to move one of the crystals, I could use the pokey side to do that. So this worked out well. The other thing that I had in my stash that you might find that you have, and it might be a good idea to use too is also this quick stick tool. And so the way this works, it's very similar, except that this actually has sort of a little clay that comes on the end of it. So what you can do is you can twist out, you can see there's little kind of, it's kind of like a little sticky adhesive clay that's on the end that you can use then to pick up a rhinestone or a gem or one of the little diamonds in this particular case, and then stick it on. Again, the nice thing about this tool is it also has that pokey end on the other side where you can sort of adjust your crystals if you need to do so. So sometimes you'll find that when you stick one of the gems down, it might shift a little bit, or at least that was my experience, and so I could kind of adjust it right and sort of push it right into the exact spot where it needed to go. So these tools worked well for me. If you are someone that has tried diamond painting and you found something else that worked other than the tool that comes in the kit, then certainly leave a comment down below and let me know. I'd be interested. Also, I found that a light box helped. This is one that I had, again, in my stash that I use sometimes for embossing on cards. And what I did was just laid the canvas over this and plugged it in so that the canvas was illuminated from the back and it was a little bit easier to see. Now, in watching a couple of YouTube videos from people that do the diamond paintings quite a bit, they use a light pad that would be completely flat that they lay their canvas on, and again, it illuminates it from the back, and that is, you know, a great idea. I just didn't want, I wanted to wait before I invested in something else to see if this was something that I was going to do on a regular basis. But I did enjoy making this. Again, it's a very intricate type of craft, so if you're someone that, you know, kind of likes to spend some time being very precise with, you know, placing down little gems and, you know, doing something like that, you can kind of get carried away with this and really enjoy working on it. I know I found that I did. I will probably do another one. I liked this size. It wasn't too overwhelming. I've seen some that are very large and very, very detailed, and I like something that I can just finish in a relatively short period of time without spending too much time on one particular project. So this was perfect for me and perfect for this time of the year. I'm glad to be able to add this to my Halloween decor. And if you have tried this before and you like doing diamond painting, or if you have never tried it, I recommend something this size. And leave your comments below and let me know what your experience with it is. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.